and welcome. I am done with my Galaxy series. I hope you all enjoyed each and every painting like I enjoyed creating them. Today I am going to be doing something new, and I think I will turn this into a series as well. Today I'm going to be doing something that is new to me, or I don't know if anyone else on YouTube has tried this before, but it's new to me, so I'm gonna try it out. And it is, I thought about this yesterday while I was at work. I'm gonna be doing an infinity straight pour. Should have mixed up more black, but you know what? We're just gonna go with it. Layer one set of colors, do the infinity, see how that looks, and then do another set of colors. So let's go first. So these are the darker ones, and I really like them in that and the other painting that I did. So I'm gonna do this set of color first. What I'm already noticing, that was hard to do. And I'm really happy that I used this small cup, because trying to pour that out of that 16-ounce cup, yeah, that would have been in-freaking-sane. Okay, so what I'm noticing that it's hard to create the figure eights or infinities. So that's like, it went straight there, it went straight there, because you kind of do have to move the cup a little faster, but yeah, let's do that again. okay? This is my first time ever doing this, so I'm gonna give myself some grace. Let's stretch this out. Thing is, if I add anything else on here, I gotta figure it out because it's just gonna start drying. I don't want that to happen, but I need this to move. So now I gotta stretch because I gotta get this pink off. Probably the best I could do with this one. Very interesting. I like the concept for sure. You know what? I probably should have just did exactly what I did on that round on this larger canvas. So stay tuned for that one because that's exactly what I'm gonna do. The color combination is perfect, but I not like to have this here or this here. Just kind of wanted a completely white base with the color on top. Can't be upset at yourself or be hard on yourself for something that you've never done before. And yes, I've done a straight pour before. Yes, I've done an infinity pour before, but I've never done both of them together. So stay tuned for more of these, and I'll definitely bring you down for a close-up. Check it out. Here it is. The infinity straight pour. Why do I sound like a game show host? Check out. The beautiful lines. There's satin enamel in the white. That's why it has that like clouded effect. And there's satin enamel in the black as well. This is probably my favorite part right here. But here it is. Okay, thank you for watching.